So Comica has been good at bringing out audio gear without compromises at a price point that don't break the bank. And that's what I'm talking about. Well, Comica is not taking their foot off the gas. So I'm reviewing the all-new Comica BooMax wireless microphone system that has 32-bit float recording. That's right, internal recording that costs under $200. This is a dual microphone setup here that can record high quality audio because we all know that audio is very important. So let me give you my thoughts about the Comica wireless system. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is back with another video. So this entire video is being recorded with both internal recording, which I'm recording right now, which is 32-bit recording, and I'm doing external recording on my Rodecaster Pro 2. And I will be switching from both from time to time so you guys can hear the quality between the receiver, right, going into the transmitter, going into the Rodecaster Pro 2, and the internal 32-bit flow, so we can hear the difference. And also, this is all raw sound, so if I do any type of processing or equalization, I will leave it down in the lower third. So let's talk about what you get in the box, right? When you buy this whole system, you get 2 transmitters, you get 1 receiver. All right, you get a charging case, you get a USB charging cable, you get TRS to TRS audio cable, you get 2 wind muffs, all right, and you get 2 magnetic plates, and you get a carrying bag. And all of this right here comes under $200. I will leave links down in the description below because this right here is mind-blowing. So looking at it, right, this is a charging case. Really, really nice. You got your LEDs right here. When you turn it backwards, you got your charging port here, which is USB-C. It is a very good premium case. You get your 2 transmitters, right? You have 2 microphones right here. You have your lav port here. You got your recording button here. And on this side here, you got your on, off, and your mute button. And you have your feature, right, that you could turn on denoise and stuff like that. So this thing definitely comes unique. And you got your charging your charging port right here, which is USB Type-C. All right, so let's talk about the receiver. All right, the receiver here is all touchscreen, which is really nice. Swipe down to get into your modes here. You got output mode. You got, let's see, volume. Okay. You have play on phone. You have receiver gain. All right. You have transmitter settings. You have your equalizer, right, which is pretty deep. Right now, the equalizer is on high fidelity. You got your low cut filter and you got your high fidelity boost. All right, so just so you know, and you can see this in the sunlight too. And you could also use this to navigate. All right, you could also use that to navigate. You could push it to pick what you want. Okay, and you have your settings. All right, if you need to link devices, languages, time and date, you pair it with Bluetooth, which I have my phone connected. I'm recording right now, as you can see. You can upgrade if you have any type of firmware updates. Okay, and you could screen brightness, factory reset, and whatever version you have, and the certification. Okay, so that is that. So let me give you 5 reasons why this is a unique system, right? I want to talk about this. I want to give you 5 reasons why I actually love this wireless system. Comica have definitely stepped up. So let's go. So coming in at number 1, the build quality. I really do like the build quality here. I'm very impressed on what you get for under $200. You have a rubbery side here and you got nice feet. It's really solid. Also, when you look at the build quality of the transmitter and the receivers, they are really, really nice. Nice and rubbery here. And again, you got your lav port. So to me, I really do like that. But it's nice and solid. Got a little heft to it. It's not lightweight, but it does have a little heft to it. But I do want to put that as number one reason why I really like this microphone system is because of the build quality. So coming in at number two is the sound quality. As you know, sound quality is the most important thing out of the whole system. And trust me, not all wireless microphone systems are equal. But when it comes down to the audio quality here, you're listening to either the internal audio or you're listening to the Rodecaster Pro. It's going into the Rodecaster Pro using this one. The audio quality is really good. No equalizers. Again, lower third would let you know. But I could tell you right now that I really do like the sound quality that's coming out of here. Now, that's very difficult to do for under $200. But yes, that's coming in number two is the sound quality. So coming in at number three is the 32-bit float internal recording. So Comica has definitely stepped up, that has the receivers that you can record great audio at 48 kilohertz, either 24-bit or 32-bit onboard storage, up to 40 hours of recording to prevent bad audio. Because you can, with 32-bit float, you can prevent peaking and you can raise the quiet part. Plus, with the dual internal microphones, you got either cardioid or omnidirectional pickup pattern, which is really nice. So you could switch between either one, which is, I mean, absolutely amazing, right? But the coolest part about the BooMax, right, that you can use these as a standalone. I don't need the receiver. All I need is one of the transmitters. If I wanted to use it as a standalone recorder, I could do that. And I could do that using 32-bit float and get very good audio. So you know what? That is something you might want to consider. And that is number three. So coming in at number four, the Comica app. So this application is really good if you want to monitor your levels, you want to start or stop recording. Plus, you can see all your receiver and transmitter information, such as battery life. And you can go to your settings and you can see all your settings there. This app came in very handy when I did the outside distance test, which I will show you in a minute. So look, you can monitor everything here. And it's connected via Bluetooth to your whole setup, which is connected to your receiver here, which is really nice. So let me go ahead and show you guys the outside distance test, because Comica claims it's about 200 meters of line of sight. So let's go to the park and let me show you guys the distance test with this microphone. So check this out. All right, guys, so I have the Comica BooMax, right? And one of the unique features of this microphone system, wireless microphone system, is the ability to do two things, right? Right now, recording it internally, right? 32-bit float, which is a very good feature. Also, I'm recording on my Zoom F6 right next to the camera. So what I want to do is I want to test out the distance and see how good it is. And I'll give you guys some commentary as I go along. One of the things I do like is the Comica app. I'm using the Comica app and I can actually see the receiver, okay, coming here to the device. So it gives me all the controls that I like. But it's supposed to be 200 meters line of sight, which I'm turning my back right now and let y'all guys listen to it as I turn my back, as we kind of lose line of sight a little bit. And I'm going back here and I still see I'm still connected with my smartphone. Now you can connect this via Bluetooth. Now, if I lose connection on my Zoom F6 that's way over there by my camera, I will switch to internal audio. And if I switch to internal audio, I will have a lower third. But let's go ahead and go back some more. Again, line of sight. Now I am kind of far, just so y'all guys know. And yeah, so I'm still connected with my phone. Now, my smartphone is connected to, again, the receiver. So yes, these transmitters look like they are very good here, and I'm kind of way back behind a tree here and go from here. So I'm pretty far from the device and look like all is well. I got the wind muff on it, so it looks like it will cover some of the wind that's out here. Okay, all right, looks good. Looks good here, no problem. I recorded internally, 32-bit. which is nice. So it does have 32-bit and 24-bit internally. It's telling me at 32-bit, I got about 5 hours of record time, which is super duper great, and which is nice. You guys let me know down in the comments below, how is the sound quality as I'm about to go on denoise. So on my smartphone, I can click denoise. I can go from low to high. So I'm gonna start off with low first. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is going to be denoise, and this is going to be the lowest settings of denoise. You let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna say solid for a second so you guys can hear the difference. Okay, so let's go to the switch the denoise to high. Okay, and now switch the denoise to high. So it may have a huge impact on how the background noise is being eliminated. Again, you let me know down in the comments below, how do you like the sound? Okay, so I just turned denoise off. Now, again, one of the hugest benefits of features of these wireless microphone systems that I love is the ability to control everything from the smartphone or a wireless device, which I can see. I can monitor everything. I can see the levels. I can see that I'm recording in 32-bit. I can turn on, I can gain up, I can gain down. I could do everything. I can even mute. If I was talking to somebody and I need to mute while I'm recording, I can mute at the same time. So these are fantastic. Comica definitely, over the past couple of years, have stepped up with 32-bit flow, even with shotgun microphones, wireless solutions, and stuff like that. For under $200, this microphone system comes in at under $200 as of me recording this video. I saw it online. I will leave that link down in the description below. So coming in at number 5, the price. So here we are, right? We could get a studio quality audio with 32-bit flow internal or with 2 transmitters, standalone, and everything else in between, equalization, all that stuff for under $200. That's right. You don't have to break the bank to get 32-bit float now, right? Which is really nice because, listen, I got 32-bit float recorders and they've cost me about $1,000. My highest one is over $1,000. So yes, to see the price for under $200 for transmitters that delivers 32-bit float, standalone type of receivers that you can have, which is absolutely marvelous. So to me, the price is number 5. Is something that you might want to consider when getting these wireless microphones. But overall, having this Comica wireless system for about a week, I actually love it. The key point for me is the sound quality. I could deal with a whole lot of things, but if the sound quality is not that great, then I may have reservations about it. But the sound quality here is absolutely amazing. Okay. If you want to see more videos of the Comica BooMax, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Comica BooMax. Under $200, 32-bit float recorders in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.